YouTube, what it do? It's my boy Shaun. We're back with another video. Ow! Wet. And Queens, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing today? It's an alright day. It's an alright day. But you guys, I am back with another video. This is gonna be different hairstyles that I rock whenever I have these braids in, or you know, things like that. So I'm gonna show you guys some different hairstyles that I rock. I know some of you guys are curious of like what hairstyles I rock. And before I even get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I will not disappoint you. Make sure you hit that like button down below. Show some love to your boy. Help get this video out there. All that good stuff. And also, I just want to really appreciate you guys for showing so much love on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat, all that good stuff. All that will be down in the description below. You guys can go check all that out if you're curious. But I appreciate all the love you guys have been showing me, all the likes, all the comments, all that good stuff. It's crazy. It's overwhelming. And it's made me realize that I'm kind of like a role model, or like a figure that's looked up to a lot of people, especially men. So I really appreciate that. It's very humbling, and I try to keep it genuine with you guys. I don't want to let you guys down, all that good stuff. So, but yeah, enough with all the sap talk. You know what I'm saying? All that sap stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the hairstyles. Probably maybe 3 or 4. There's not too much you can do, especially because my hair is not like super long. But this is the first hairstyle right here. Just wearing it down. You know what I'm saying? I'll give you guys a 360 of it. So you got the left side, my left at least. And we got the back, right side, and we back at the front. So you guys can just wear it down. You could, if you got some length, you can shake it. You can do all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? New freezer challenge, all that good stuff. And yeah, this is how I was wearing it the first few days when I first got them done. And then I started to switch it up a little bit. I got my scrunchies right here. We're gonna do the ASAP Rocky style. I just usually go about halfway. I have the way my hair was parted, it was parted literally like halfway. So I just take half of it and I literally just pull it off. Make sure you get like a kind of a tight scrunchie. And then just tie it into a little ponytail in the back. And then you can leave your hairs in the front, however many you want or whatever. And then I'll show you guys a little 360. Here's the side. And if you want like more volume in the back, you can like pull your hair through the rubber band to get more volume, and it'll look a lot more full and longer. So let's show you guys from the side, back, other side, and back to the front. Now, you know what I'm saying? This is just how I usually wear it. This is like my go-to style right here. I could put more hairs in the back or whatever, but I just decided to keep the 2 sections in the front like that, because the way my hair was parted, it was very easy to do it like that. Another style that you could rock with is you can try a like ponytail, right? Now your hair has to be long enough to do this, because if your hair isn't long enough, then you just can't do it. But you try to get the most amount of hair you can in the front, kind of make it like a high ponytail. And you can leave some hairs down the front if you choose to. Like I can leave that one. I could leave maybe another piece down, something like that. Bring this one up. Sorry if it keeps getting out of focus. So you can bring your hairs up like this. You can tie it at the top. Again, just pull it through to make it more full, and you can rock it like this. I mean, you don't have to, but it's just a style that you can do. You got a 360 of it. It's probably not perfect. Yeah, it's not perfect, but This is just for the video purpose. And yeah, so this is the second look that you can do. And now you could also pull it all up into a ponytail like that and have no hairs hanging down. You could do that as well if you would like. That could be a fourth look. Okay. Now another style that you could do is, if your hair is parted down the middle, you can just take each side and make two ponytails like that. Kind of like pigtails on each side. So if you want to rock out like this, you can rock out like this if you want. Now you can also probably put these in like to like a bun, to where it's not like sticking out like that. Like fold it down, maybe to like a bun or something. Yeah, maybe have it like that. It'll be a lot smaller, but you know, some people might want to rock that type of style. You never know. I'm trying to think of other styles. Cause like I said, usually my main one is just pulling half of it back and rocking out like the ASAP Rocky type. Oh, another way you could do is you could take your front pieces, like your front half, and you could just pull that to the top. And you can maybe put that into like a bun at the top. Put that to a bun at the top like that, and then leave the rest in the back hanging down. So you can have it like that. And yeah, so that was about 5 different hairstyles that you can rock with your box braids. Hope you guys this video inspired you guys to try out some new styles. Or if you want to send me pictures of some styles, how you rock your box braids, you know, you can send me pictures. You can DM me on Instagram. You can send them on Snapchat. You can do all that good stuff. But these are just some of the styles that I would possibly rock. Like I said, my go-to is the half back, forward, full down the front. That's just how I do it. But hope this video helped you guys. If you enjoy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All my social medias and all that stuff down in the description below if you want to go check that stuff out. And I hope this video helped you guys. It's been your boy Shaun, and we out.